It is estimated that in the first 12 years of life, 80% of all learning comes in through the visual system. In today's classroom, the average student spends over 6 hours a day reading and doing computer work. Most students do well, but there is an epidemic of students that are not. Too many students are failing to keep up with their classmates. Often, these students are bright and eager to learn, but something is wrong. Parents may worry that their child might have dyslexia or an attention problem, but something's just not adding up. We have to ask one question: why does a bright student fail? Parents are often encouraged to start by having a child's eyes checked. Maybe they need glasses, and the child may in fact need glasses, but yet they still fail. 20/20 eyesight doesn't mean a child has good vision. Do you know why? To understand, we have to look beyond the eye chart and understand that vision is much more than clear eyesight. Vision is a complex process that starts with seeing clearly. Visual information must first be processed to become useful. It must be coded and assimilated. It must be compared with prior information, and it has to be analyzed just like a computer does. Visual information processing is mistakenly believed to be only located in a small part of the brain. In fact, the processing of visual information takes place in over 80% of the brain, and this processing is influenced by other sensory information. A complete developmental vision exam starts with determining if a child has clear eyesight. If they do, we must determine if they have good focusing skills. Can they sustain that clear eyesight for an extended period of time, and can they shift their focus back and forth from the front of the classroom to their desk? Eye teaming is the ability to use the eyes in a coordinated fashion, and if so, can the child do so long enough to read many pages in their textbook? Eye tracking is the specific eye movement used while reading, and this is rarely tested for in routine eye exams that check for eyeglasses or the health of the eye. Once visual information has been gathered by the eyes, it must then be processed. Visual perceptual or visual processing skills allow us to decode and then act on what we see. Many poor readers struggle with letter reversals or problems with eye teaming and tracking, which makes words and lines wavy or appear to move around on the page. And some children will notice the print on a page will get blurry after reading for just a few minutes. If you have good eyesight, you can see this picture of a familiar object clearly. So what is it? But visual processing skills allow you to derive meaning from what your eyes see. Do you see it now? I'm Dr. Philip Nicholson, Director of the Visual Learning Center in Olney, Maryland. Since 1997, I've helped hundreds of children with undiagnosed vision problems. Most of these children pass their eye exams and vision screenings. Only a complete developmental vision exam tests for visual skills like I've described. Through a program of visual therapy, we've helped every one of these children overcome their learning-related vision problems. I have a proven track record of success. Our office is located in Olney, Maryland. If you know of a child who seems to be smart in everything except school, or perhaps a child who has trouble concentrating or paying attention, you need to rule out a learning-related vision problem. Please call us to schedule a developmental exam for your child, or visit our website and download our popular ebook, 10 Things You Need to Know About Vision. Please remember that untreated vision problems can last a lifetime. Please contact us today.